This is HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting company, providing you many services such as virtual private servers, dedicated servers, domain names and web hosting. You can choose from a wide range of products and services to choose from, starting from different locations such as Jacksonville, Dallas and LA. Is the price still not good enough for you? Well, never worry. Have 25% off with code Zephyr. Look at that! I just saved an entire $1.75. And if you're having doubts, just look at all these happy customers. Hello YouTube. So I was going to be getting into Discord.js with you guys and making a Discord bot with JavaScript, but there's one thing I forgot to cover. So we're going to cover that in depth in this video today. And what we're going to be covering is modules, or packages, whatever you want to call it. I call it a module. So from one of our videos, we used a module called readline. If you remember, const, I think it was rl equals require readline. Oh, whoops. We're going to be doing something similar, except we're going to be installing the packages ourselves. So the way you install a package is you use npm I for install, and then you type in the package name. So the package I'm going to be showing you today is called ms. So I'm just going to type ms, and it's a package to convert basically a written number, no, it's not a written number. It's a written time. I don't really know what you really call it, but like you could type 1 minute in it, convert it to milliseconds pretty much. That's what we're getting at here, or vice versa. So I'm going to get you familiar with reading documentation, so we're going to go ahead and switch over to the browser. So here we are on its npm page, so we're looking at ms, easily convert various time formats, there you go, there's the word, to milliseconds. So I want to see examples of how we use the module. So it would output that in milliseconds, but you can also convert from milliseconds and format it like so. So you can see the features, related packages, bug reports, collaborators, last published 8 months ago. If you want to look at their source code, you can always go to their repository link. It's all optional. Yeah, this is their source code for the package, but let's go back to Visual Studio Code and use the package. So I'll go ahead and clear this. So we're going to do const ms equals require ms. So we're going to test this now. So we're going to do console.log ms, and you put in a value. So I'm going to do, I don't know, 1m for 1 minute, and we're going to see what happens. So I'm going to run node modules.js. As you can see, I get milliseconds returned. So let's go back to the documentation and see how we can convert the milliseconds. It's just simple, we just put the number in instead, and you can use the options for long true. So yeah, we'll give that a try now. So we'll go back to Visual Studio Code, and we're going to now type in, let's say 300,000 milliseconds. I believe that's 5 minutes if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 5m. But I don't want it to say 5m, I want it in a proper format, so I'm going to say long true. As you can see, IntelliSense is helping me out there. 5 minutes, that's better. So let's say, let's make an application out of ms. So we're going to make a little timer application. So referring back to what we did a few weeks back, we looked at input. So we used readline. We're going to go ahead and use this again. I am going to cheat a little bit and copy and paste. So I'm going to do const readline equals require read line, like so. We'll comment out this console.log. So we're going to put in a question. How long until I log? So just random. And then we'll have time. And then we're going to do const milliseconds equals ms time. Like so. Now it can return undefined. So if it does return undefined, we're going to make it do ms and we'll just say 10 seconds. That's the default fallback. Like so. Okay, so now we've got that. We will then do a set timeout. And what this does, after milliseconds amount of time, it will then execute whatever in this block. So hello, and we'll do ms milliseconds long true later. So we're going to give this a test now. How long until I log? We're going to give it 25. No, that's a bit long. We'll do 3 seconds. 2, 3. There you go. Hello, 3 seconds later. And we'll run it again, but this time we'll do something like that. It should fall back to the 10 seconds. So say around about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So as you can see, this application works, and that is how you use modules. Discord.js in one of our upcoming episodes is going to be a lot more intense than this simple module, but this kind of gets you used to how to read a bit of documentation and what a module is. So I'll see you in a later video. Thank you guys for watching.